Hello, my Xhale loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for tuning in. But make sure you guys hit that like button and that subscribe button, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that way you will be notified every time I drop a new video. Now, I am back, y'all, with another DIY. I am doing a birthday party event that's going to be rose gold and black. And so instead of doing a balloon garland this time, I wanted to do, you guys see those like images on like Pinterest and stuff where they have like the paper flowers across the top? Where I'm going to do something like that. But I'm going to show you guys how to do it. I'm going to show you guys how to do something similar but with Amazon products. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so pretty much you're just going to take the hot glue gun and you're going to glue along the edge of the inside of the paper palm, and then you're going to just stick it together so that way it'll stay as whole and not have that like gap that'll be in between it whenever you just do it the regular way and hang them. So now I'm just simply arranging these onto this foam board from the Dollar Tree, using this so that way I can hot glue them all down so that way they will stay in place when I go and hang it, and I can just hang it all as a whole rather than individually. Now, as I'm gluing them on, I'm literally just putting some on the center part and then putting like circles around it, like a spiral kind of circles all the way around, so that way I get a little bit of all of it. For the one in the middle, I'm more so putting the glue on the ends of each of the big ones and then a little bit in the middle for it to stick to the board. So now I'm just going to cut off these like stem parts where you would hang them. I should have did it before I glued it, but either way they work. You can use scissors, box cutter, blade, whatever. The scissors worked a little better for me, but you're just going to cut off the stems off of it so it doesn't show why it's hanging. So now I'm just going to be cutting the back of the foam board just to leave enough of a strip to hold where everything's glued together. And then that's going to be my base of what I use to hang it up onto the backdrop. Now, sometimes I cut this beforehand, but I didn't really know how wide or how big I was going to need it. So I just cut it along the way. But here's how it looks afterwards. So for the paper palms, I actually used 2 safety pins and I put them through the paper and through the curtain and just hung them like that. It was pretty simple. I decided to put it right on the angle instead of in the middle because it didn't really look right. Side note, if you just saw those photo booth accessories, I will link in my description from Amazon, just so you can have them if you guys are interested in using it for one of your events to do, because we use this for a photo booth. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and you hit that like button, and welcome my Xhale loves. As always, you can do all things that you put your mind to. See you guys later. Bye.